the day. Today is the day that we are finally going to pick up our brand new Hellcrate REDEYE engine from our local Dodge Powerbroker and our transmission that we're going to be using as well. So today is a very big day. Let's get it. Direct Connection is Dodge's exclusive source of factory-backed performance parts. You're very lucky to have one super close by in Daytona Beach. We arrived. Nick's been freaking out about this day. Just so stoked that it's finally here.
It's kind of the, main component we're missing here.
It's only the main part of the entire build. That's all, no big deal. This is actually the Daytona Beach Dodge Ram dealership. So there's only two places in Florida that are actually the Dodge Direct Connection dealerships that are the power brokers for all of the aftermarket performance adders that Mopar and Dodge have to offer that is supported by them. So it's pretty cool. We're lucky that it was only like, what, an hour drive?
Not even, it was like 40 minutes. It's pretty close.
40 minutes, and it's one of the two that are in Florida. So we're here, and we're going to be picking up our engine, which is the Hellcrate REDEYE 6.2 liter that's supercharged, as well as our transmission and all the controller kits that we need. All right, first step is figuring out where we need to go. Damn, look at Nick repping the merch. Look at that. All right, quick detour. Damn, this car looks good. Wow. I never realized how big chargers were either. This purple, it's so good. Hey Nick, do you think we'll have time to repaint the entire car purple?
Oh, of course.
Now that we have the engine, we're fine.
We're done.
It's basically done, nothing left to do.
Well just paint the car instead.
We're gonna have all this free time, so. We just got a tour of the facility from Doug, who is our rep that we've been working with to coordinate everything, and he told us that all of those cars in there are actually the owner's cars, REDEYE, and that's just a small part of his car collection, so that's really, really cool. I feel like him and Bob Shear, like the former owner of the compound, they had to have known each other. Like, this is right up Bob's alley, his style, everything. I think I see a transmission box. I don't see an engine crate just yet. I see two boxes. Maybe the smaller one is our controller kit. Transmission? Sweet. Awesome. Thank you, Doug. It's nice to meet you. Appreciate everything. Daytona Beach just got a Buc-ee's like a few months ago, so of course we had to make a pit stop. Oh, we're gonna party like it's 1962, baby, because that's the year of our Dodge Lancer GT. Get it? Yeah. Yo, I literally already lost Nick. The things you find at Buc-ee's. Moment to thank a big partner of this channel, Sunjoy. A little while ago, you guys saw the video of Jim and I building my first ever carport. We are currently in Florida in the thick of summer, so it is coming in handy every single day to help protect my cars from this insane Florida sun. And where we're at with the compound, there's just a ton of debris always falling from the trees everywhere. I would have never thought that I could build my own carport, but the process is really straightforward. All of the Sunjoy carports come with detailed instructions pins, and all the supplies that you will need for assembly. Sunjoy actually just recently launched a brand new design for another carport, so they have multiple sizes and styles that you guys can pick from. Yes, surprisingly, we already have limited space here at the compound, so I'm planning on actually installing a few more of their carports. So if you guys want to get a carport from Sunjoy, be sure to use my code Collete for 10% off every single one of their products. If you go to their website, they actually make a bunch more stuff than only carports. So you can check out the links in the description, shop around, and make sure you tag me in a photo of your brand new carport. Your cars will thank me. Shout out and thank you again to Sunjoy for being an amazing partner to this channel. And now I'll let you guys get back to REDEYE engine stuff. Lancer, meet your soul.
Here you go. This is your new home.
Oh, they're being shy. It's cute. Alright, everything has made it into the shop. Our box is appropriately marked important. We got our engine, we got our transmission, and we got what is hopefully our controller kit in the other box.
Oh my. Why did it do that?
I'm scared now.
Oh my god.
Wow, that thing's just ready.
Remember when we were like all stoked? Wow, we got a brand new engine.
I know.
That?
Yeah.
Now we got another one.
Now we got another one.
It's crazy.
It's just weird how many engines are in this shop right now. Very weird. And there's one back there, but it's a top secret thing.
This should make
Maybe. Maybe ECU. Oh yeah, this is ECU. Oh, they even do with sensors? Sick. Oh. It's a big girl.
Hey, I can't see the bottom.
Yep.
This literally comes stock.
Well, here she is.
This is it.
Yeah, I'm stoked the headers are on.
Yeah, this is nice.
So until the engine actually gets into the car, you're just looking at it, and it is front sump, and we might need to get a different pan. Maybe. Might need mid sump. We don't know yet, but at least there's plenty of aftermarket options for that. Let's see.
Around there.
Yep. Don't move.
That's about the same.
Same?
I feel like it's about the same. This part is about the same.
There.
I feel like in general it's around the same.
Yeah. And, I mean, height, especially with the carb on this thing,
Yeah.
it's like 30.
Yeah, it's like 30-ish. It might be a little bit smaller. It's around there. It's not that much bigger.
That's a good sign.
Yeah, that is probably 2.5 inches shorter to the block. Like the block length is about 2.5 inches shorter.
Weird.
But the front assembly, like for all the belts and stuff, is much larger. So that's what's taking up a lot of space in the front. Mm-hmm. It's probably gonna sit in a very similar position to that one.
Distracted by the engine, I forgot there was a transmission.
This is
Ta-da! It's the go-to for a lot of things, and yeah, we're just gonna have to figure out how to fit that in there. A little bit of a size difference going from this one, having previously had this little tiny one in there, but Nick will figure it out. This is what it feels like to be on the assembly line at Dodge. We can get that full experience now.
Except we're assembling it into a 1962 Lancer.
Wow.
It's kind of nice. It's got it all like labeled and everything.
Yeah, that's pretty nice. Found the pedal.
Gives you the yeah.
0 to 100 real quick.
That's all. Isn't that nice? That all goes together, and then that goes on the throttle body, and then you're done.
Yeah, basically done. Wow, well that's nice.
Right? Yeah, that's a big air filter.
Include that. You get that in your kit as well. Well, we just got one of the most crucial pieces for this entire build, heart and the soul of our Lancer GT. We definitely have our work cut out for us. I think both Nick and I are excited to learn about a new platform. I still can't believe we're about to put a REDEYE into this 1962 Lancer GT. This is pretty freaking wild. There's still a lot of things that we are trying to finalize in terms of a game plan for power adders. Definitely gonna do a pulley. Probably pretty much everyone's gonna do that. And whether or not we use nitrous is still up in the air at the moment. We still need to add cooling for our supercharger to this. We need an alternator as well, and we're gonna have to get a starter. So those are really the only main components that it didn't come with. We're going to be upgrading our injectors with some D-Schwartz injectors. Pretty much have our whole fuel system already figured out. I'm gonna be putting like a 3 to 5 gallon cell in the rear. Not sure yet, still trying to figure out exactly which one I'm ordering, but man, it's go time now. There's no more messing around. The engine's here, the transmission's here, and we need to get that into the car. So that is it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.